For thousands of years, humans could see only one face of the moon. But what was hiding on the other side? A completely different landscape, filled with massive craters and strange geological features. And even today, the far side of the moon still holds mysteries scientists are trying to understand. Here's something fascinating. The moon isn't simply refusing to rotate. It actually rotates on its axis. But it rotates at exactly the same rate that it orbits Earth. This phenomenon is called tidal locking. That's why we continuously see roughly the same lunar hemisphere from Earth.
Every orbit, keeping the same face toward Earth.
Humanity didn't photograph the moon's far side until 1959. The Soviet Luna 3 spacecraft flew past the moon and captured the first images of the hidden hemisphere. Scientists immediately noticed something surprising. The far side looked very different from the familiar side facing Earth. The near side contains large dark plains called Maria. But the far side is much more heavily cratered and has far fewer of these dark volcanic plains. Why the two hemispheres developed so differently remains an important scientific question. One of the most remarkable features is the South Pole Icon Basin. It is one of the largest and oldest impact structures in the solar system. Scientists believe a gigantic collision created this enormous scar billions of years ago, and it may contain clues about the moon's early history. The far side isn't interesting only because of its history. The moon may also contain valuable resources. Permanently shadowed regions near the lunar poles can remain extremely cold, allowing water ice to survive. That could become important for future lunar exploration. There's another reason scientists are fascinated by the far side. The moon can block radio interference coming from Earth. That makes the far side potentially valuable for extremely sensitive radio astronomy. In the future, it could become one of the quietest places from which to study the universe. The far side has inspired countless internet theories, strange structures, mysterious lights, and even claims of hidden alien bases. But so far, there is no credible scientific evidence for extraterrestrial structures on the moon. The real mysteries are already fascinating enough. As humanity returns to the moon, the far side could become a major destination for science. New missions may reveal how the moon formed, how its surface evolved, and perhaps uncover clues about the earliest history of our solar system.
Signal is acquired. Checking the sensor readouts now.
Copy that. We are monitoring from the rover.
So, is there a dark side of the moon? Not exactly. The far side receives sunlight too. But for most of human history, it was completely hidden from us. And perhaps the greatest mystery isn't what we've already found, but what we haven't discovered yet. What do you think scientists will find there next? Comment your theory below. Subscribe to HiddenNex for more mysteries, hidden history, science, and incredible discoveries. Stay